I head up the print division for a creative agency in Sydney. I've been married now for 17 years to my wife Nikki, and we have 2 children. When we were looking in the open homes, we were walking around a few times and we sort of thought, oh, this house is us, we love it. But if we wanted to buy it, the front door had to be changed because it was very old. They had old blinds and nettings hanging up, which we said it's got to go. Obviously online we started looking through all the variations of the doors and also the Plantation Shutters, what we wanted. And then when we went in store, it was actually good because it was more of the touch and feel experience. So as well as just swiping down and having a look, we could actually go in store, open up the doors. We can open up and shut the shutters. My wife has actually been wanting plantations for a long time. And of course, we used to have the old Venetians at our old house. And we thought, never again. But, I mean, they look $1 million and they definitely add value to your house. But a lot of our windows were different. So what we love is how everything was made to that particular size, very custom made, and it just like real bespoke, just fits like a glove. With Doors Plus, we could actually have it all organised at the one place and deal with just the one production manager. So it made our life easy. Part of the service was the installations all included, which was great. It was good news. In all honesty, we wanted to deal with a company because we have busy lifestyles. We wanted someone who could manage the whole thing. Doors Plus could manage the whole lot.